Hi everyone, welcome to ESL Tutor for All. Today we're learning all 16 English tenses for the verbs read and write. Don't worry, we'll go step by step. For each tense, I'll teach you when we use it, the sentence structure, and simple examples for each verb. Ready? Let's dive in. Here is something to remember. In certain tenses, the word read is pronounced differently. In present perfect, past simple, past perfect, future perfect, and conditional perfect. The word read has the same spelling but is pronounced as red, like the color. Watch out for this icon during this lesson. It will remind you that the verb read is pronounced differently in that English tense. First, the present tenses. Present simple. We use the present simple for habits, routines, or facts that are always true. The sentence structure consists of subject plus base verb. Here's an example with the verb read. I read every morning. Here's an example with the verb write. I write emails every day. Present continuous. We use the present continuous for things happening right now. The sentence structure consists of subject plus the verb be plus verb with ing. For example, she is reading a novel. I am writing in my journal. Present perfect. We use the present perfect when something started in the past and continues in the present. The sentence structure consists of subject plus have or has plus past participle. For example, they have read that book already. He has written his essay. Present perfect continuous. We use the present perfect continuous to show how long something has been happening. The sentence structure consists of subject plus have or has been plus verb with ing. For example, we have been reading for 2 hours. She has been writing since this morning. Now the past tenses. Past simple. The past simple is used for actions that finished in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus past tense verb. For example, he read 3 books last week. I wrote a letter yesterday. Past continuous. The past continuous is used for actions in progress at a specific time in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus was or were plus verb with ing. For example, I was reading when the lights went out. We were writing when you called. Past perfect. The past perfect is used for actions that happen before another past action. The sentence structure consists of subject plus had plus past participle. For example, you had read the story before class. He had written it before the deadline. Past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous shows how long something was happening before another past event. The sentence structure consists of subject plus had been plus verb with ing. For example, they had been reading until midnight. He had been writing for an hour when I arrived. Next, the future tenses. Future simple. The future simple is used to talk about something that will happen. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will plus base verb. For example, they will read it tomorrow. I will write my report soon. Future continuous. The future continuous shows something in progress at a specific future time. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will be plus verb with ing. For example, I will be reading all afternoon. She will be writing all evening. Future perfect. The future perfect is used to show something will be finished before a future time. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will have plus past participle. For example, I will have read it by Monday. We will have written everything by Friday. Future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous shows how long something will have been happening by a future point. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will have been plus verb with ing. For example, he will have been reading for 2 days. They will have been writing for weeks. Lastly, the conditional tenses. Conditional simple. The conditional simple is used to talk about possible future actions. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would plus base verb. For example, he would read more if he had time. I would write more if I had ideas. Conditional continuous. The conditional continuous is used to show an action that might be happening now or in the future. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would be plus verb with ing. For example, he would be reading now if he had his book. I would be writing now if I had my notebook. Conditional perfect. The conditional perfect is used to talk about something that would have happened in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would have plus past participle. For example, I would have read it if you gave me the book. She would have written it earlier if she remembered. Conditional perfect continuous. The conditional perfect continuous shows how long something would have been happening in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would have been plus verb with ing. For example, we would have been reading longer if we had more time. I would have been writing all day if I stayed home. Congratulations! You just learned all 16 English tenses with read and write. To keep practicing, rewatch this video. Pause and repeat the examples often to remember. Want more help? Click the link in the description to download our free worksheet to review all the tenses from this video. All the details are in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. Thanks for watching and see you next time.